Instagram has become the go-to platform for every brand, creator, and business to build their identity. But consistently creating eye-catching posts can take up a lot of time and effort. What if you could create eye-catching Instagram posts and publish them in just minutes? Hi, I'm Jill from Gravity Ride, and in this video, we will see how to exactly create scroll-stopping posts using AI. By the end, you will know how to go from idea to live Instagram post in just few clicks. So without any further ado, let's get started. To create our Instagram post, we will follow 3 simple steps. The first step is to connect our Instagram account with Gravity Social. For this, just go to gravityride.com, click on AI Social Media, and it will take you to Gravity Social dashboard. Click on Add Account. Here you can connect social accounts of 6 platforms like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Pinterest, LinkedIn, and Twitter. So let's connect our Instagram page. Click on Instagram. You will be redirected to Facebook. Remember, to connect your Instagram account with Gravity Social, you need to have your Instagram business page connected with your Facebook account. Now, just log into your Facebook account. Then select the page you want to connect with Gravity Social and click on Continue. After that, select the businesses and then select the Instagram accounts you want Gravity Social to access. Click on Continue. You will see the access review page. Go through it and click on Save to continue. Finally, select the account you want to connect. So now we have connected our Instagram account. The next step is to design our Insta post. For this, we are going to use another tool from Gravity Ride called AI Image Generator. So let's go to the tool. Here, select type of image. You will see different kinds of image in the drop-down menu. Click on Instagram post. Then you get an option to choose a design template. Click on it. You get multiple options. Choose the one you like. Here, describe what your post is about. Include all the elements you want and the text that you need in your post. I have asked for a professional Elevate X social media poster with all the essential elements. Next, select the aspect ratio. In the advanced settings, you get an option to set the primary and secondary colors for the image. So if you want, you can set the colors. Then click on Generate Image. In a few seconds, your post is ready. If you want, you can download the image from here. Once you have got the post design ready, you can now publish it directly to your Instagram account without switching apps. So let's go to the last step, which is to publish the post. For this, just click on Share on Social Media. You will be taken back to Gravity Social. Select the image we just created and click on Create a Post. Now, select your Instagram account. Then enter your caption here. If you don't have your caption ready, you can generate one using AI. For this, click on this icon. Here, describe what your post is about. Select the tone you want and click on Generate. You can make the changes if you want, like rephrasing, changing the tone, expanding, or shortening the caption. Once the changes are made, click on Insert. You can see the preview on the right side of how the post will look like on Instagram. Now, let's publish. If you want to schedule this post, you can do it by clicking on Pick a Time. But let's publish it right away. So, to do that, click on Post Now. And your post is live on your Insta account. Pretty easy, right? And that's it. In just 3 simple steps, you went from idea to live Instagram post. With Gravity Ride's AI image generator and Gravity Social, creating and managing your content becomes effortless so you can focus on growing your brand. So try it out for yourself. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to Gravity Ride for more such content creation tips. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.